Hey guys, it's Marshall Tingle with your Paris Stockyards market in a minute for today, March 2nd, 2023. So let me just say, you've heard those saying, you can either come in like a lamb or come in like a lion. This cattle market has sure enough came in roaring like a lion. This thing has been outstanding today. We've sold 2,732 head of cattle through the barn. And these cattle just have been astronomically high. It didn't seem like there was a ceiling at all in these cattle, especially little lightweight steer cattle, but all classes and categories of cattle, even your bigger cattle too. So let's talk about your feeder steers. Feeder steers, a solid steady $10 to $12 higher across the board. Some instances $15 higher, some instances $20 higher, and I would dare to say there were some instances cattle be up to $25 higher on your steer cattle. Now, this steer market is rocking. We had the perfect storm of supply and demand. We had a lot of cattle. We had a lot of good buyers. We had a lot of buyer activity, and it just turned into a perfect storm on these little lightweight steer cattle and steer cattle across the board. Just a really great day for our sellers here at Paris Stockyards today. Now, your heifer market, they followed right in suit. We're going to call our heifers today $6 to $8 higher. And even your weigh cows, $2 to $4 higher on your weigh cows and your weigh bulls. But let's check out these numbers now. You might want to write some of these down, because we haven't seen them for quite some time. And let me tell you, these cattle numbers are high price-wise. So let's start out here with your little three-weight steer cattle now. Three-weight steer cattle, $242.5 to $3.10. $3.10. It's been a while since we've seen $3 cattle, not let alone $3.10 cattle now. Four-weight steer cattle, $219 to $285. Five-weight steer cattle, $190 to $235. Six-weight steer cattle, $1.80 to $221. That's on six-weight steers, $221 on your six weights. Check out these seven weights, $1.72.5 up to $1.90. That is a really strong market, especially as we get into these heavier and get closer to your yearlings now. But let's talk about your heifers. Heifers followed right in suit. Let's call them $6 to $8 higher, and check these out now. Three-weight heifers, ready for this? $209 to $245. That's on heifer cattle. We're not talking about steers. It wasn't too long ago that if we got a three-weight steer there, we were jumping up and down. Now we've got $2.40 weight heifer cattle. Now, here's your four-weight heifers. $1.90 to $240. Same story, $240 heifers. Five-weight heifers, $170 to $197 and 75. Still staying strong. Six-weight heifer cattle, $151 up to $1.89. Like I said again, these are on heifers, heifer cattle. This market is extremely strong right now. Everybody's got green grass on their mind, and it was the perfect storm on these heifer and steer cattle this past week. Now, talk about your weigh cattle. Weigh cows and weigh bulls, $2 to $4 higher across the board. Top selling weigh cow, $1.14. The top selling weigh bull that we have recorded is $138.50. I want to say that we got some closer to that $1.40 mark, but the $138.50 is what the USDA has recorded on that. Now, we did have several advertised cow packages, two for sure, two big packages. Your bred cows topped off at $1,625. Pairs at $1,760, and we sold some replacement stock bulls for $1,900. So your head market's still staying pretty strong. Check out some of these numbers now. These will be your groups. They're not going to be in weight order, but check them out. These are some serious numbers here. So start off with some big heavy cattle. Here's 55 head of steers, blacks with Charolais and reds. About 15 of these Charolais and reds on the load, 976 pounds on the average, 165.75. Jump on down here. Here's some seven weights. Here's 55 head of these, 733 pounds on the average, blacks, and again, had just two reds on them now. 733 weight steer cattle, $1.87 and a quarter. Jump on down here, check these out. Now these are your six weight cattle. Here's 36 head of these, 605s on your steers. These are all black. Excuse me, $2.16. And then check out your five weights. Here's 23 head of five weight steers, weight 574, 228. These are all black. Go just a hair lighter. 24 of them, 569. At 229 as well. So really staying competitive right there on that five-weight market. But check out these heifers. These heifer numbers, we haven't seen them in a while. Check these out. 36 head of them. Not a full load, just a big group. 36 head of heifers. 401. $2.40 for a set of all black heifers. Like I said, wasn't too long ago, if we had some four-weight steers up there at 240, we'd be jumping up and down doing cartwheels. Now our heifers are trading at 240. Jump on down here. Here's a set of heavier. Here's five weights now. 43 head of these, 538 pounds on the average, all black, $1.97 and a quarter. Go to your six weights. Here's 70 head of six weights, 667 head on the average, or 667 pounds on the average. Battle auctioneer gets tongue-tied. Primarily Charolais. Now these are going to be more of your feeding type cattle. Charolais and just a handful of blacks. 667 on your heifers, 175.75. And close out with your seven weights. Here's 68 head of heifers, 744 pounds on the average, $1.67. Again, blacks with a sprinkle of Charolais. So As you can see, this market is shot off like a rocket on the 4th of July. Looks good to me. I hope it stays. But today definitely was a seller's market and good for all of our customers here at Paris Stockyards. But as always, on behalf of myself and everyone here at Paris Stockyards, we just want to say thank you for your business. We truly are farmers doing business with the farmers, and if there's anything we can do to help with your livestock marketing needs, we sure would love to help you out. Thank you so much. We'll see you next Thursday.